The backstitch is a robust and versatile hand stitch prized for its durability and precision, making it a staple in both garment construction and decorative embroidery. Its back and forth technique not only strengthens the fabric, but also produces a clean, professional finish, making it a go-to choice for a variety of sewing projects. To sew a backstitch, start by threading your needle with an arm's length worth of thread. Then, knot the end of the thread. Next, pull the thread through the back of the fabric until the knot is snug. Then insert the needle back into the fabric a short distance ahead of your starting point, and then bring it out a stitch length behind the starting point. Pull the thread through. Continue this pattern, stitching forward and then backtracking to the previous stitch, creating a strong and consistent line. Of course, you can adjust your stitches to be as small or as large as you like or need. Just be sure to keep your stitches on grain and as even as possible so that they maintain the proper shape and look of your project.